Alright, I'm going back inside now. Please don't let me step in shit. Please don't let me step in shit. I didn't step in shit. Come on, Sella. Oh no, I'll cut it to later. Just washing it now. Finished washing it off. Ow. Just trying it. Anyway. The brat? Seriously. You know, I killed a lizard yesterday. Just yesterday. While it's gone, she killed, I believe it was another baby bird. I've saved a baby rabbit from her before, all sorts of stuff. I'm gonna go into the front yard, hold on. Over here, there's a bunch of blue jays. They're all killed over here, obviously, for my cat. Over there is where we let the lizard go. Well, speak of the devil.